This video will show you the wallet board of the KUNHIVE app in a step-by-step instruction. Click on Wallet in the left-hand column. You can see your total balance, available balance, and not active bonuses. Click Bank Transfer US. Afterwards, you can view the specific transfer information. There are different percentages of cashback for different amounts of savings. At the bottom are billing history, withdrawal record, and transaction record. In addition to US dollars, it is also possible to top up in euros. Click Online Payment. Thank you very much for your patience, and if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us right away.